What's up, vlog? Michael's vlog. What up?
Gary V,
What
yay.
up?
What up? What up, Cane Toad?
Okay, interview's over.
Good morning, Mother Earth. Nigel flying his drone. Look at that sunrise. We are at Boulders something. Yeah, sun is coming up. It's time to launch the solo drone footage now. Flying the drone with Nigel, it is a great experience. The sunrise fizzled a little bit. I was a little bit late because someone else was a little bit late again. So I missed it, of course. Maybe it just means I need to stay in Byron Bay one more night. I don't know yet. What a successful flight, what a successful, as they say, photo mission. The sun's actually come out now and it's really beautiful along here. Very cool spot, very. Apparently the Pirates of Caribbean was filmed here. There was a scene here and the council purpose-built a road up here. So it's a really easy access, but look at it. It's just beautiful. Charge, might stay another night now, not sure. Yeah, it's just a beautiful start to the morning. It's 7:15, that's it actually. It's 8:15. No, it's 7:15. We've been here since about 4:45. Perfect. What a beautiful morning. It's, I say it every morning, but you know, you've got to get up and you've got to enjoy these mornings because there's nothing like starting the day fresh and early to really get you charged and going for the day. It's not your road. Nigel and I are off to a waterfall. We're in Iceland now. Iceland called Byron Bay. Nice light in here. Morning.
Good morning.
Sony, nice.
No, Olympus.
Oh no, Olympus.
Yeah. Nigel hasn't stopped whinging the last half an hour, honestly.
Trying to register a car in New South Wales. They just discovered non-use of rego labels about 6 months ago. Queensland's been doing for about 20 years.
Look at him. No shoes.
Yeah, cool. Well, it's going to cost you double.
Killing Falls in, I guess you could say, kind of Byron Bay. Nigel.
No, Ballina, mate.
Ballina, sorry, I didn't want to offend. I obviously offended. Pretty cool. Back at the pass, the afternoon, the sunset is horrible. I'm going to fly the drone, maybe. Might walk around the other side and have a look. Pretty cool here, but because it's so secluded, if I throw the drone up here, I think I'll lose signal completely. Great spot. It's a bit dark, there's no sunset, which is really disappointing. It would have been really cool. Not many people out, it's quite muggy, it's not hot. I'm going to pack it up and I'm going to go and try and find some Thai food, I think. So that's it for tonight. Yeah, subscribe, like, comment, you know the drill. Please support the channel, my channel. Please support Vettas M. See you tomorrow.